So as tempting as these pre-prepped vegetables are in the grocery store, let me show you how much money you are throwing in the garbage by buying these. Romaine lettuce, there are all these bags of pre-chopped. For the same amount of money, I purchased this whole head of romaine. I'm gonna chop it up and show you how much more you get by buying it whole and chopping it yourself. If you've got a lot and you can't use it all, wrap it up in some paper towels and put it in a food safe bag or in a bowl. Cauliflower. This little bag of cauliflower florets, same price as this huge head of cauliflower. You get so much more for your money if you cut this up yourself at home. I like to cut out the big florets first and cut in between the stems. Don't throw out the thick parts of the stems. Chop them up, freeze them, and throw them in your next pot of soup. So squash. I bought all of these yellow squash and zucchini for the same price as what's in this little box. You get nearly 3 times the amount you paid for someone else to do it in the store. Now I know everybody hates chopping onions, but look, this little box of diced onion is the same price as 3 whole ones. You want to slice through the root end, make vertical cuts, and then chop crosswise. You can put the extra in a bag and freeze it, and then use it whenever you need to make meatballs or soup. Just remember to keep your knife sharp, it'll keep your wallet full.